Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure the LED controller supports mobile app control over Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Once done, power the LED strip with the correct voltage and a stable PSU so you don't damage LEDs. Next, install the controller's official app on your phone and grant necessary permissions. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network if using Wi-Fi. If Bluetooth, keep the phone near the controller for pairing. These steps prevent connection failures later. You now pair and configure. Open the app and sign in, then follow the app's prompts to add a new device. Put the LED controller into pairing mode, usually a short button press or power cycle, so the app can discover it. Once detected, select the device and enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password if asked. This lets the controller join your network. Make sure to choose the correct 4 GHz network if dual band. After configuration, assign the device a name and save settings so you can control it later. You finish by testing controls. Cycle through colors, adjust brightness, and try any preset effects to confirm full functionality. Once stable, check for firmware updates in the app and enable secure permissions like local network access so features work reliably. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. Reboot the router and controller, confirm SSID/password, and retry pairing. If using Bluetooth, clear previously paired devices. Finally, make sure the controller firmware and app are compatible. Updating both often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.